Well, it's I think it's 2 years later, and here's what the waterfall looks like now. This is the view from our patio. It's been really easy to maintain. About maybe 2 times during the summer I hose it and wire brush the rocks, keep some algae off, and the water stays pretty clear.